Welcome, space enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of our solar system to explore one of the most terrifying scenarios imaginable, falling into Jupiter. But before we plunge into this cosmic nightmare, let's understand why Jupiter is not just another planet. Jupiter, the king of the gas giants, is a colossal planet with a magnetic personality. Its intense gravity and turbulent atmosphere make it both fascinating and fearsome. Imagine being pulled into Jupiter's gravity well. The sheer force would crush any spacecraft and its occupants instantly. But wait, it gets even scarier. Jupiter's atmosphere is a chaotic brew of hydrogen, helium, and other gases, with storms that could swallow entire Earths. A descent into Jupiter means battling winds that can exceed thousands of kilometers per hour and enduring thunderbolts that make our lightning look like mere sparks. And if somehow, against all odds, you survive the atmospheric chaos, you'd face an even more bizarre fate as you descend deeper. Jupiter's core is a realm of extreme pressure and temperature. Metallic hydrogen, a state of matter only found in such extreme conditions, creates an environment beyond our wildest imagination. Falling into Jupiter means diving into a realm where matter behaves unlike anything we've encountered on Earth. So, what's the terrifying outcome of falling into Jupiter? It's a journey into the unknown, where the laws of physics rewrite themselves and survival is a distant dream. Despite the terror, studying Jupiter up close could unlock secrets about the formation of our solar system, the nature of extreme environments, and the limits of human exploration. While we may never risk a real mission to plunge into Jupiter, our robotic explorers like Juno continue to unravel its mysteries from a safe distance. And there you have it, the terrifying yet captivating outcome of falling into Jupiter. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content. Stay curious, stay amazed, and keep exploring the wonders of the cosmos. This is Scenario Spark, signing off.